Now, when you want to calculate volume of a cylinder, remember that our cylinder is a prism. We have not yet said what we mean by a prism. A prism is that what solid that contains that what contributes to maintain what a given what cross-sectional area all over the shape. You see, the cylinder is what a prism. A prism has what a constant cross-sectional area. What do you mean by that? Constant cross-sectional area. If you take the area of this here is circular. If you go to the middle, it's circular. If you go here, it's circular. If you come here, it's circular. If you come here, it's circular. The same shape. That is what a prism has. Even in a cube has the same cross-sectional area. It is also a prism. This is a cube. The same thing with what? A cuboid. They have the same shape from bottom to up. A pyramid has no constant cross-sectional area. If you have a pyramid like this is a pyramid, a cone is a pyramid. The shape here is not the shape here. It's not the shape here. That is one thing with what? Pyramids. Now, cube as a prism has its own volume. And now, when you want to detect or show the volume of what? A prism, volume of a prism is equal to the cross-sectional area times the height. Volume of a prism is equal to cross-sectional area times the height. Now, you say that A is what? Cross-sectional area. Or you say area of cross-section. So people will come and call it the base area.
I'm not supposed to go to WhatsApp.
So people call it what? The base area. And h is equal to the height. H is equal to the height. Now, when you now consider what cylinder as a prism, let us now quickly look into the volume of the cylinder. Have you noted that what will be the volume of a cylinder? Consider cylinder as what? A prism. Then volume of what? A cylinder is now equal to the cross-sectional area of a cylinder is a circle. Which is what? Area of a circle times what? Height. The area of a circle times height, because the cross-sectional area is what? A circle. Now, this is pi r squared times h. Therefore, we now say that volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. Calculate the volume of the cylinder.
Please, I want to tell you something. I want to see it. That's no way to use.
These were using like this and can't have what it used to be.
Imagine this is a basket.
calculate the volume of a cylindrical steel bar, which is 7 cm long and 4 cm in diameter. Solution. The volume of a cylinder is given as pi r square h. And now, we are not giving radius, but we are giving diameter. We know that r is equal to diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2 is equal to r. So we now have that our r will be 4 cm divided by 2 to give us 2 cm. And we are also given that the height, h, which is the length of that bar, is what? 7 cm. So we take note of all these parameters and we solve our problem in our next slide. Now coming to this side, we have that volume is given as pi r square h. When you substitute all of the parameters, pi is given as 22/7 times r is what? 2 cm times 2 cm times height is what? 7 cm. You now note also that some things we cancel out. This one, the 7 we divide this 7. This one also. What we have is 22 times 2 times 2. Now, cm times cm times cm gives us cm cubed. Is what?
That should be 88.
22 to give us 88 cm cubed. This is the volume of what? That cylindrical steel bar. Solving the question and sending our answers to us. Let's solve this thing. That's what the pipe is. Let's say this is the pipe. That is 14 cm in length, and here from here to here is 3 cm. Now we know that radius is what? 6 cm divided by 2, which is what? 3 cm. And the height is given as 14 cm. Now we have our volume. Now V volume is equal to pi r square h. Pi is 22/7 times r is what? cm times 3 cm times the height of 14 cm. Now, 7 we go into itself to give us 1. We divide 7 to give us 2 cm. So what we now have is 22 times 3 times 3 times 2 in cm. Let us separate this. Bring us 11 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 2 times 3 is 6 cubed. Now, when you multiply by 11, you open up this 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 gives us 9 cubed. So that's the answer to that question.
But this one is
Volume is equal to pi r square h. We have pi this, r squared means this times this, and height is this, all over 1. So you divide this with this to give us what? 2 cm. Now making this to be a linear form. Now 22 times 3 times 3 times 3. This times this is what? 6. 6 times 3 is what? 18. 18 times 22 will give us what? 396, all in cm cube.
Yes.
The tank on a petrol lorry is a cylinder 2 meters in diameter and 7 meters long. Calculate its volume in meter cube and also find its capacity in kiloliters. In this one, let us write out everything that we are given. The lorry is 2 meters in diameter, which means that diameter is 2 meters, making us to have radius to be 1 meter when we divide this by 2. And the length, which is the height, is what? 7 meters long. That's it. The length of that is 7 meters. And they say we should find the what? The volume in meter cube. To find the volume of that what? Of that tank in meter cube, we know that volume is equal to 5 times H. So the students in this question, they didn't give us the value of 5. Once they did not give you the value of 5, they are incorrectly have the knowledge that 5 is equal to 7. So we have 7 times radius is what? 1 meters times 1 meters times height is what? 7 meters. What do we have here? This goes with this and goes with here 1. So what we have is 22 times 1 meter times 1 meter times that is times what? 1 meter cube to give us 22 meter cube. This is the volume of this tank in meter cube. Now, they say we should find this is the A part of the question. The B part of the question, they say we should find it in what? The capacity in kiloliters. But we know that what? 1 liter is equal to what? 1000 cm cube. But our V is what? The V they gave us is what? 22 what? Meter cube. So you're going to convert meter cube to what? Cm cube. Let us watch how we are going to do this. I say in continuation to what we have, we know that what? 1 meter is equal to 100 cm. And when we talk about 1 meter cube, what we mean by that is what? 1 meters times 1 meters times 1 meter. Which gives us what? 100 cm times 100 cm times 100 cm. Now, with that, we now have this as what? 1 million cm cube. Do you understand? Having noted this now, it means that what? Volume, which is 22 meter cube, is something as what? 22 million cm cube. You see it now. And now, they say we should find it in kiloliters. First of all, let us take this into liters. Now, you divide by 1000 to change it to liters. 22 million cm cube. When you divide it by 1000, you see that what? This portion will be taken away by that what? 1000, making us to have something like 22,000 liters. Since this particular portion has been taken up by 1000, now in kiloliters, it will not be what? You're also going to divide this in by 1000 because 1 kilo is 1 kilo, 1000 liters is something as what? 1 kiloliter. So 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. Now, This one will be taken care of. So what we now have finally is 22 kiloliters.
So we're transferring from what to what?
A cylindrical storage vessel is 4 meters in diameter and 3.5 meters in height. Find its cylindrical, find its capacity in kiloliters, and you take pi equal to 22/7. Do it and send in your answers to us.
So that's like
In this question, we are given the height or length of that cylindrical pipe to be 1 meter long. And in this case, we are giving 7 cm in diameter, which means that what? You need to convert meters to cm so that you can work out the question. Once you are done converting them, you are going to get your volume in cm cube. The volume will be in cm cube, and you divide it by what? 1,000 to get it in liters. So that is the what? The process you are going to use to get the volume of this sort cylindrical pipe, the capacity of it in liters. We thank you for being part of us today. We are going to meet next time. Once you are done, you can easily send your answers back to you. Thank you so much.